Thank you for tuning in. This is student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. You know, there are records and then there are records, and yesterday did we break some records? Let's take a look at yesterday's high temperatures. Bridgeport breaking their record. They made it up to 67. Hartford shattering their record, making it up to 77. Even New London, right on the coast, made it to 61. Providence broke their record. They made it to 64. Here in Danbury, we made it to 77. In New York City, breaking their record, they almost made it to 80 degrees. Now, keep in mind, some of these temperatures are more in line for mid to late June than February. But let's take a look at outside today. It is looking more like February. Overcast skies, much colder, temperatures in the lower 40s, and they will actually continue to fall as the day progresses. And we are tracking some wintry mix moving into the state, talking about some sleet and even some snow. We'll look at about how much in just a second. This weekend is looking rather unsettled and raw, but the good news is as we move into next week, things are looking much drier. Let's take a look at the current surface map. Here's the cold front. This moved through early yesterday evening, pushing the 70s to the south, and much cooler air has worked in behind it. We do have some low pressure kind of moving along this boundary. That's why we are tracking some wintry mix moving into the state. And out west, we are watching this frontal system. This moves ahead over this weekend and kind of stalls over us, which is why it will continue to be unsettled. Current satellite, look at the extensive cloud cover over much of the United States. We're going to be sucked into these clouds through the end of the weekend. Current radar, here it is, the precipitation beginning to work into the state. The green is rain showers, blues are snow. See those pinks? That's some sleet. As this moves on in and temperatures fall, we will begin to see some sleet overspread the southern part of the state and even some light snows across the northern part of the state. And we'll look at just how much in a minute. But let's time this out for you at 3 o'clock. We do have some snow working into the northern part of the state. There's the pinks, that's the sleet. And I do think that we will actually see sleet all the way down to the coast. But by about 6 o'clock, this moves on out. So how much are we looking at? I'm thinking about a coating to an inch of snow across the northern third of the state, with the rest of the state upwards of a coating of sleet. Now let's take a look at the weekend now. The jet stream kind of stalls right over us. That's going to be the battleground between the warmer air to the south, the cooler air to the north. Cold front kind of draped over us. It's going to continue to be unsettled and cool through the weekend. But coming back to tonight, periods of sleet and early on snow. The northern part of the state will be quite chilly, actually cold compared to the last couple of days. Lows near 30 tomorrow. Nasty day out there. Periods of showers. Can't even rule out some sleet or even some snowflakes mixing in. It will struggle to get to 40 degrees. And here's my 5-day forecast. Saturday, probably the pick of the weekend, up near 50. Chance of a shower later in the day. If we do get enough sun, we could see some low 50s. Heavy rain moves in Saturday night ahead of that cold front that's across the western part of the country now. Sunday is looking really nasty. Heavy rain throughout the day. There is a warm front that will be close by. If that can move through, we could see some low 50s, but the rain moves out by early evening. And look at Monday, much milder, low 50s, but it will be breezy. And then Tuesday up near 50. As always, you can follow us on social media. I'm student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. Thank you for watching.